Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom Intuos Pro M device, and I don't know why the driver identified this device like a Pro S, but now I'm gonna show you how to set up the touch bar on this device. To do it, you need to find the touch gesture setting. Then here choose touch. And here you can change the pointer speed. For example, you can change it to the fast, and now it's very sensitive, but I want to change it to maybe not too much. So yes, it's normal mode for me. A little faster than normal. Great. Double tap time, you can change it to longer or to system time. So system time is the most shorter time, but you can move it, you can change it to longer, but I suggest use system. And here you can test it, of course, if you want. Cool. Scrolling speed, so you can change scrolling speed. I suggest to change it to the faster than normal. Pointer acceleration, I suggest you not to move this item. Of course you can change the pointer acceleration, but acceleration is like a nitro in games. I don't know how to explain it. It's like on the start you moving with one speed, but if you will move your pointer with the same speed, it means that your pointer will enable the turbo mode and it will fly you to the moon. So I suggest to use low mode here, so disable the pointer acceleration. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.